back to Semaj's channel. So for today's video, Semaj is going to put the 24-piece Paw Patrol puzzle set. Are you ready, Semaj?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Semaj's Fun Adventures. Alright, Semaj, good job. High five. Good job. Okay, so you were... Alright. Okay, so that's the actual puzzle. Okay. Alright, Semaj, so can you name all the Paw Patrol pups?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Skye, Case, Rubble, Marshall, Zuma, Pocket.
Good job. That's right. That's Rubble, Marshall. Who's this again?
Semaj.
Zuma, Rocky, Skye, and Chase. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching Semaj put the Paw Patrol puzzle together. Bye guys!